Hello children, in this video we are going to see the supplementary reader of Unit 1. Let us read Robot Expo. Let us see the book back exercises of page number 92. Section A. Choose the correct answer. First one. Anita shares her experience about dash. Option A. Book fair. Option B. Vacation. Option C. Robot Expo. And option D. Dance program. The correct answer is option C. Robot Expo. Second one. The robot that sat on her shoulder was a dash. Option A. Ant. Option B. Butterfly. Option C. Puppy. And option D. Dragonfly. The correct answer is option B. Butterfly. Third one. Anita's friends wanted a dash robot in their houses. Option A. Butterfly. Option B. Ant. Option C. Cook. Option D. Fish. The correct answer is option C. Cook. Fourth one. Brain of a robot is the dash. Option A. Controller. Option B. Mechanical part. Option C. Sensor. Option D. Camera. The correct answer is option A. Controller. Fifth one. A robot advised her to dash. Option A. Keep silence. Option B. Use dustbin. Option C. Don't spit. Option D. Wash hands. The correct answer is option B. Use dustbin. Section B. Answer the following questions. First one. Where did Anita go? Answer. Anita went to the Robot Expo. Second one. What did Anita eat in the expo? Answer. Anita ate an omelette. What are the three parts of a robot? Answer. The three parts of a robot are the controller, mechanical parts, the sensor. Fourth one. What is the use of mechanical parts? Answer. The mechanical parts are used to function the robot properly. Fifth one. What robot will you make? Why? Answer. I will make a toy robot to play with me. In page number 93, one small passage is given on top. You have to read that passage fully and arrange the pictures by using numbers. Cup of tea, number 1. Prepares breakfast, number 2. It irons his dress, number 3. Lunch box, number 4. Here, few questions are given below the pictures related to the passage. Let us answer the questions. Answer the following. First one. What day is it? Answer. It is on Monday. Second one. Where is the key? Answer. The key is in the lunch box. Page number 94. One application form is given related to annual day program. You should be fill everything in block letters. Firstly, you should paste your recent passport size photo in that given space. First one, name of the student. So you have to write your full name here. Second one, standard, section, roll number. Third one, father's name. Fourth one, mother's name. Fifth one, date of birth. You have to fill up everything in this given column. Sixth one, gender. If you are a boy, you have to put a tick in male column. If you are a girl, you have to put a tick in female. Seventh one, tick the competition that you want to participate in. Here some options are given, so you have to choose by your own that what you are going to participate. Dancing, singing, speech, drama, storytelling. You have to choose any one. Already participated, yes or no. If you are already participated, you can tick in yes. Ninth one, select the practice section. Here two sections are given, morning and evening section. You have to choose any one. 10th one, you have to write your home address, pin code, telephone number, mobile number, everything. Then finally you have to write the date and place, and also you have to get a signature from your parent. In page number 95, one worksheet is given here. I can do. Section A. Choose the correct option. First one. Vicky's dad bought a dash robot. Option A, active. Option B, lazy. Option C, trick. And the correct answer is option C, trick. Second one. Vicky decided to dash the robot at the end. Option A, keep. Option B, sell. Option C, praise. Correct answer is option B, sell. Section B. Tick the plural forms. Lady, ladies. Key, keys. Section C. Write the plural word. First one, catch, catches. Second one, berry, berries. Section D. Connect the rhyming words. Strong, along, call, tall, back, sack. Section E. Recite the poem My Robot with correct intonation. Section F. Circle the odd one out. First one, city, boy, book, Chennai. Here, the odd one is boy. Second one, Kadikalan, Pari, Kumaran, king. Odd one is Kumaran. Third one, boy, girl, man, Puja. Here, odd one is Puja. Fourth one, mango, banana, fruit, apple. Here, odd one is fruit. You have to circle fruit. Fifth one, cow, tiger, lion, animal. Here, odd one is animal.